What's up, YouTube? It's Matt's Vids. I'm Matt. Matt's Vids. It's gonna be a day in the life. We're gonna have fun with it. We're gonna keep uploading, see where it goes. It's gonna be fun.
Fox bodies.
We have Fox bodies, BMWs, everything.
BMWs.
The fast BMWs. Every car, a lot of stuff, a lot of car meets. Honda, I ride a bike, a lot of bike stuff, farms. It's gonna be fun. Let's get at it. Now you just got dirty. Let's warm her up a little bit. .3M. Honda 250L. Supermoto wheels when I ride street. Have it set up for our farm. Pretty dope.
Got a cold start.
I don't have the keys. Actually, I do.
Don't forget to open the garage. I'm opening the garage.
She's a ripper.
Wow.
Honda. Applebee's?
Think so?
I think so, dude. I think it's just an SS. What do you think, Matt? Think it'll be a good one?
I think you'd smoke them.
I think I'd smoke them too.
Roll. There are hella people down here tonight, though. Corn? Ah, shit. Diesel? That's what you got?
Yeah. What up, Alex? Two GTIs. Cut it right a little bit. Okay, straight back. Good.
Holy frig. Bro, my car's a mess, bro.
Why is it a mess?
Because I'm fat.
Don't say that, man.
Like
Can I
frig,
just
man.
Bubba? Bubba, what's a good cleaner over there?
Dang.
Yeah, it's a mess.
Good thing I'm a detailer.
Bubba, what's a good cleaner over here, man?
Dang.
That's a friggin' mess, bro.
Detail master. I need.
Later, dudes.
Yeah.
Yeah. First. Oh, frig.
See you things worked on.
I don't want to spray it on this window, but
We'll clean the windows.
we'll clean the windows too. We need to clean out all this garbage though.
Oh. Bubba, be ready to pull the.
Awesome, you want Bubba?
Weekends are for Fox Bodies. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, water.
I know.
Did you wash your car? Nice and clean back here. Isn't that a sick flag?
Style & Co.
Style & Co.
Sponsor us. Alright, so pretty much the beginning parts. You have to pop that panel off. We already did that. And you got to take off this screw.
Did we already handle my thing?
And then that screw right there.
There's a
And then-
Volkswagen GTI.
Mark 6, 2011.
Here's
More,
original taillights.
OEM taillights. Ow. Frig off.
The ones in the trunk.
I get a rag.
These are nice.
Behind the Fox Body flag.
It's a little moist up here.
Some cleaning working on well.
Yep, so this is Alex.
Hello.
You can see him a lot, shooting flames.
Yes, sir. I have the loudest GTI in the state.
I don't know about that one, man.
Loudest Mark 6 GTI in the state.
I don't know about that one either, man.
Yeah, it is.
Milwaukee's only.
Sponsor us.
Big Milwaukee guy here.
Yes, sir. Milwaukee. Alright, pretty much you need an 8 mil. And then you find this one and this one. That one's going to be a little problem to get to. Put it on there.
Milwaukee light.
And this comes off. This comes off.
Here, you need a magnet.
Put that to the side.
A magnet tray.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there's some Honda bolts right there.
You take off the smaller light. And you push up on this.
Unplug it.
That too. Got a pinch on the sides. It unplugs.
You should have got some LEDs, man.
And then here's the OEM
You
light.
should have got some LED bulbs.
I thought they were LEDs.
But what brand lights are these?
Well, these are the CTS brand Euro lights. So that's out. We repeat on the other side.
All right. Repeat on the other side.
Ignore the Brembo brakes. That's going to be another video. So pretty much what you do.
Hold on, we need a light. Milwaukee light.
Hey, give me the headlight. All right, so pretty much what you do, come over here, find the carpet piece, just pop that off. And pretty much that's the one screw holding it on. So you unplug this, that's unplugged. Then you start twisting, take this out.
Plastic screw.
Plastic screw. You're gonna need that for later. Don't get rid of this screw.
Volkswagen.
Oh! And then there's the light.
There it is.
So
And repeat on the other side.
cleaned out the surface.
Clean it out.
And pretty much the next thing you're gonna be doing, we're gonna be putting in the bottom tail lights.
These are for the HIDs, right?
Yep. You take this for the HID.
Dorn's a smart one here. Dorn, these are HIDs, right? HID little box.
No, that's like probably resistor or something. So like the LEDs, because you know how yours don't work right.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, yeah, that makes sense. That is the resistor.
Those are probably to make
Those are the ballast.
the LEDs like actually blink right.
Yep.
You know.
All right, so pretty much.
This guy's a smart one here.
Yeah.
He's a wire guy.
Nope. We're just putting it in. So pretty much my idea, you want to put this in the back over here. But let's take the aftermarket headlight, well, tail light. All right, so pretty much this is for the box, and this is for the wires. Pretty much.
OEM fit.
Push it through this way. More tighten it because it's a ball joint. So you could see it's getting closer. That's actually probably pretty good for how it is. And then in the back, the OEM wiring. So you take this and plug it in.
There you go, she's in.
Then you pop the carpet back in. Or you put this however you want. Put the carpeting back and the lights in.
And then for this one, you just put the two
And you can see it doesn't pull out.
bolts in, plug it in, and you're good. Put them in, and they're on. All of them work except this one. We're gonna figure it out. It's very dim. But the thing is, these
What?
these don't work unless the trunk's closed. So we were freaking out. But they do work. It's just the trunk has to be closed.
Oh, where's the water coming from?
Now I should figure out this one. So we're trying to figure out why this one's not working. Everything else works.
Should have bought a brand new for $900.
I did.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
We can't be lying.
Frig off. Frig off.
Can't be lying.
Frig off.
Can't be lying.
Frig off.
Frick
Frick off.
But do you only buy new parts for the Fox?
Oh, always.